Let's go live with the show right now. So we're gonna start the show by simple telling you exactly what I'm gonna do. I got one medium-sized carrot. This is some organic cucumber I'm using. We got lemon, celery, ginger, and some beetroot. Now, I want you to please tune into this recipe because this is just a normal recipe. And I got one more ingredients which also I'm gonna add to it. Alright, so let's put the blender right here and I'm gonna show you exactly how to make such a beautiful recipe if you're at home and you want to do something fantastic. Alright, this is gonna be a recipe where I would encourage you just to try at home if you have some time. Alright, now, so step number one, we're going to get the carrot cut up. Alright, that's the first thing. Get the carrot cut up. And I'm using a medium-sized carrot. Alright, now, carrot have a lot of benefit, guys. Eyesight, all of these things, and a lot more, and the list keep going on and on and on. Alright, so right here, carrot, the first thing. Alright, now, to be honest with you, we are not going to remove the skin from the cucumber because it is also organic, and I make sure wash it off very good. So we're going to put half a medium-sized carrot into the blender. Alright, that's the carrot. And also, I got some celery, which I'm going to be also use inside of it. So this is the celery, which I'm putting inside of it. So basically so far we got the carrot, cucumber, celery. And this is what you want to do with all of these ingredients, which I've been using right here. Now it's going to be super healthy drink for you guys. Now I'm going to get the beetroot. Alright. Now I'm just using roughly about half of a beetroot. I'm not using too much beetroot. So this will work out to probably about half a beetroot and a medium-sized beetroot. We're going to put that straight inside of the blender. Now we're going to get also a piece of a ginger. I'm going to remove the skin from the ginger. And this is the ginger right here. All right, very important. Also, we're going to get some lemon. Or you can use lime. So if you're familiar with lime, you can use lime. So we're gonna squeeze half of a lemon inside of it like this. Lovely. Now, once you do that, guys, I'm gonna tell you something which I want to share with you. And this is what's going to make the difference. I got two ingredients I'm going to give you. Now, we're going to put a pinch of apple cider vinegar inside of it. We're not going to be using too much. Just a tiny pinch of apple cider vinegar. All right. Now, right over here, this is my sea moss, which I've been soaking from last night. I've been talking about the sea moss. I did a video earlier on it talking about the sea moss. Okay, now with the sea moss, I'm gonna take out a piece of a limb like this from the sea moss right here, just like a piece of sea moss like this. Before I go any further, let's take this one side and show you what I'm talking about. All right, so hold on first, just to show you guys. So my sea moss is almost ready. So right here, this is a piece of the limb from the sea moss. Okay. Now, sea moss have a lot of health benefit, and if you use it in smoothie, it's even more healthier also. You can take a teaspoon with it and also with some honey Very good every morning on a empty stomach for at least 10 working days. Different in your body and in your immune system, all right? Later on, I will be blending the sea moss to show you guys. So please do not miss the video later on, all right? So right here, I'm going to put this beautiful piece of a sea moss straight inside of my smoothie right here, which I'm going to be blending up, okay? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to be using some spring water, natural spring water inside of it, not too much. And that's looking lovely. All right. Now it's two things. You could either add some organic honey if you want to add a pinch of organic honey. If you're a person who are suffering with sugar level and all these things, do not use any honey. But if you want, you can just put a teaspoon of organic honey inside of it. But you can keep it naturally if you like to, okay? Now, this is also very good for weight loss. Very, very nice recipe for weight loss. Very filling smoothie. If you're a person who are just like smoothie like me. Not only that, you can put a few more ingredients. Like, you can also put some meringue, the powder one, also inside of it. But we're going to keep it simple like this. Alright, very, very simple. Let's put the glass right here. And we're going to make some noise. So we're going to blend it, make a little bit of noise. Now, okay. Oh, it's loose. Sorry guys, it a little bit loose up. So, but anyway, we can sort that out. It's fine. I didn't tighten it enough. All right, let's go back with some more blending. All right. Lovely. All right, now let's open up it and make a look at it. All right, so this is it right here, and I'm gonna show you something. Look at this. All right, so you just want to drink this same way. All right, don't strain it. You want to get all of that fiber into your stomach. All right, then pour it out like this. All right. And that is what I'm talking about. That is so beautiful and so nice. Now, I want to encourage you guys, whatever you guys are doing at home, remember, you can't go wrong if you make yourself a nice, lovely, healthy smoothie like this at home. Honestly, 100% you will love it and you will enjoy it, all right? So, if you like the recipe, leave your comments in the description box. You can drink this 2-3 times a day. Honestly, you will see the difference. Give it a try. Give it a go. Leave your comments. And honestly guys, these do help you at home in weight loss, detoxing, help you with certain kind of information in your body. And one of the most important thing is also have a lot of fiber. When you go to the toilet, you don't have any problem. All right, these are very important things. Very good for the immune system, very good for the stomach and for the colon, you know. So right here, another great juice for you guys today. Shout out to every one of you guys who are watching. Love for the one. Thank you so much for your patience and for your time watching this on an amazing, incredible drink. Whatever you guys do today, just stay blessed, man. And I'll see you next time. I'm going to close the show to say I am out with Chef Ricardo Cooking. And I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Big up every one of you guys who are watching on my Facebook, on my YouTube channel, and also on my TikTok. Okay, you will be trying this one. Okay, Terry, thank you so much. Yeah, give it a go. It's a beautiful recipe. I know you will love it. 100%. Just drink it natural like this with the carrot, with the beetroot, the cucumber, the celery, and some sea moss. If you do not have the sea moss, don't stress yourself. blend it up same way and use it. All right? Have a great day, and I'll see you next time with more recipe.